In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TextBlaze to Chrome. TextBlaze is a powerful text expansion tool that saves you time by turning short snippets into longer phrases, templates, and frequently used messages. Getting it set up in Chrome only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through everything you need to do so it's easy to find and ready whenever you need it. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to the TextBlaze page in the Chrome Web Store. This is the official listing where you can safely install the extension. On that page, click the button that says Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome may show a brief message explaining the permissions the extension needs so it can function properly. After you confirm, give it a few seconds. The installation happens automatically, and you'll see a confirmation in the top right corner when it's done. Once TextBlaze is installed, it's important to make it easy to access. In the Chrome toolbar, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. You'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find TextBlaze in that list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning places the TextBlaze icon permanently on your toolbar, so you don't have to open the extensions menu every time. You should now see the TextBlaze logo to the right of the address bar. Next, click the TextBlaze icon to open it. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create one right there. Having an account lets the extension save your snippets and keep them synced so they're available whenever you're in Chrome. After you sign in, the icon should look active rather than grayed out, indicating you're ready to use it. If you don't see TextBlaze working after installation, here are two quick checks. First, make sure it's enabled by typing Chrome/extensions into the address bar and confirming that the toggle for TextBlaze is on. Second, confirm you're logged in. If the icon looks gray or inactive, click it and sign in to activate the extension. These two steps resolve most issues right away. That's all there is to it. You've installed TextBlaze from the Chrome Web Store, pinned it for quick access, and signed in so your snippets are ready to go. Enjoy faster typing, fewer repetitive tasks, and a smoother workflow in your browser. Thanks for watching, and happy productivity.